say, man, toast. I ain't got a brag, ain't got a boast. I ain't made it yet, but then let them boast.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope everybody's doing good and staying blessed. I got my kids here with me. They're gonna actually help me. Say hi, Sky. Say hi, Lily.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Sky. Hi.
They're gonna actually help me with this install today. So sorry guys, I know it's been a bit, but we do have a special video for you today because we're going to be installing a brand new strut bar, and it's from Siri Moto. It is a carbon fiber 3-piece design, which is gonna be a lot lighter weight, more space saving and everything for the oil catch can and flex fuel kit kind of modification. So it's gonna be a great addition. We have a lot more coming up. I ordered a Jay's Racing valve cover, so it's that green titanium color. It's gonna look awesome. It's really gonna offset with the rest of the red in the engine bay, I think. Really. But yeah, so if you guys could please please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings to everybody. We are back in business, y'all. So let me stop the video here just for a sec, and then I'm gonna turn it back on once we do the unboxing of the new strut bar. Stay right here, y'all. Much love. All right, you guys, so just wanted to show you the empty engine bay with the strut bar missing, which was the BLITZ strut bar. I did sell that. It sold literally within a day and a half. So that is gone. Lily's walking around the car. But there's no more strut bar here. Did retain the obviously titanium bolts from Dress Up Bolts. I'll throw that up right there. Okay. And today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy. I already opened the box a little bit. Just want to show you guys what it looks like here. Scott, you want to hold it for me, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, and show people on the camera. Okay. So as you can see, it's in the plastic. We're going to unbox that right now, unpackage it, I should say, and we're going to be installing that into here. As you guys can see, we're in the garage right now. Got my kids with me. But yeah, it's going to go right here, and it's going to save all that space for the oil catch can, the flex fuel kit, whatever you guys have in there on the Type bar. So, all right. I'll be right back with you guys, and yeah, we'll start this up. Much love and blessings. All right, Lily, thanks for holding it on us. Let me see it. Got our knife right here. Watch out, Lily, I got a sharp knife on it. Watch out, guys. Okay, we're gonna unpackage it. Hardware, probably not going to use.
With all the tea. Oh, shut.
There's that, the first piece. Here is the, you guys come over here please. Come over here in the video. Sorry guys, kids are wild. Second piece. And then the bar.
What is it, Daddy?
The strut bar. Watch out, you're in the camera.
Daddy, we don't sell the toe.
Then you guys, here is the strut bar.
Daddy,
watch out, Lily.
That toe.
Put it up there close. Carbon fiber. You guys can focus. It is a matte finish. It is very light. So we're gonna see how this holds up over time, but look at no bend, obviously. It's very solid. There's the ends right there. And then they connect to right here. So, all right. Give me a second and we're going to install this. Much love, y'all. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm gonna take the camera here and show you what's going on. So, this is what we have here. Here's the bar. The bar, as you can see. And what I did was loosely put already a bolt in there, right? I'm gonna show you why in a sec. And then on this side, there's also a bolt right here, which is an M16, I believe is what you call it. Then right here, this is the adjustable part. So this nut adjusts, so this length comes out, and I'll show you why in just a sec. I'm gonna pick this up, take it over here. We're gonna place it just so you can see the length of it, the fitment, make sure it's aligned, etc. Right? So let's start on this side. This is your tight side where there's no tension here at all, okay? This holds everything down. Then this is where you put your M25s, and then over here, see this right here, this is in the way. So I'm gonna have to zip tie this out of here, which they supplied zip ties, so that makes sense. But anyways, that's what it would look like right there, so there's no rubbing. So this is the appropriate length, and like I said, this is the tension right here, so this extends out. So technically it will look like this with that tension nut being tightened all the way down. So therefore it's gonna hold all the struts together. All right, that's how that works. The cool thing is, here's the hardware it comes with, right? So that's the hardware it comes with, but this is what I'm gonna be using on the struts, which are the titanium dress-up bolts. So obviously it's a lot more, you know, shinier, clearer, you know, a lot more show for the engine bay. So I'm using that, and those are going to go on to right here, which are the zip ties. It's right here. So we have those, and then it says per the directions, the M10s. That's what I was thinking of. Sorry about that, guys. M10s right there. Those are what these bad boys are. Same thing. So we're gonna use the titanium portion of it though, obviously. So, yep. All right, guys. Be back with you in just a moment. I'm gonna put that all together. Much love, y'all. All right. So as you guys can see, got a little up close right there. And actually, let me bring it up a little bit more. Right here, just loosely put in the titanium nut right there, the M12, okay? Coming over here, same thing on this side. And let's look at the clearance. Right there, focus, okay. So this side looks really good, right? Sitting flush. Let's check the other side real quick before we make any assumptions. And let's see. Focus, there we go. So right there. And then obviously that's gonna tighten that space right there. So it looks good, solid. It's not going anywhere. Literally shaking the entire car. So it looked good. All right, let me finish putting these on right here. Just give me a sec. Set the camera down. Okay, all right. Just because it's a smaller diameter? Oh shit. Yep. Wow, okay. All right, let me show you guys what's going on. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is actually a bigger diameter than this, which sucks because now I can't use this. Let me bring it up close. I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. Damn Surimoto. So this right here, see how it's not, unfortunately, not going to work because the diameter of this part right here is thicker than this. See the difference? So watch. This is what I'm trying to show you guys. See what I mean? That sucks, yo. Yep. Great. So I'm gonna have one, I guess just one titanium bolt right there on the ends. And then the silver is all gonna be these, which sucks. Oh well, it is what it is, right? But yeah, that kind of sucks on this bar. They should have made this hole a little bit wider for the custom dress-up bolts. Okay, that's torqued right. Good. We'll rub them there. Looks like we're almost done. Check the torque. Yeah, this ain't going nowhere, bro. All right, well, it's gonna tighten this one right here and tighten that one, but that's what it looks like, you guys. I just gotta check the torque on this. It said 45 pounds for the M10, so I'll have to check that. But basically, look, it ain't going anywhere, man. I think it's dope. Looks pretty cool. I don't know if I want to add the logo that it came with, which is around here somewhere. Sorry, you guys, I put it in here somewhere. I don't know exactly how to do with the logo. Had it in here. I don't know. Oh, it's right here. Okay. So here's the logo. You can put it on the strut bar. Obviously, it would go something like this, right? But I don't know if I want to use it, to be honest with you. Maybe, we'll see. But all right. So, hope you guys enjoyed that video. And yeah, it sucks about the titanium M10s we couldn't use on both sides, right? But at the end of the day, I still think it looks good. I think it's a solid strut bar, very solid. It's super light, like you can just pick it up like it's nothing. It's probably not even 2 pounds, you know? I would say it's probably less than 2 pounds, to be honest with you. So it's super light, it's real carbon fiber, it's matte, you know? I think it looks good. Keep in mind, guys, the J's Racing cover is coming up, which I'm going to throw up right here. Check that pic out. And we also have carbon fiber engine side panels from APR coming up. It's going to be both side plates and radiator. Also J's Racing oil cap. So selling the Ballad. Hit me up if you want that. Selling it for 50 bucks with the HKS reservoir brake cover, because I also have J's Racing. That's coming in black. That's going to be with the J's Racing cover. The oil cap's going to be black as well. What else? Let me turn it around. Got Dyno Day coming up on February 5th with the squad. That's going to be cool. We're going to finally see what the car puts down. January 29th, which is a Saturday, around 8:30, 9 a.m. Gonna be installing the RV6 downpipe, the 1-up lighting kit, the the Rampage 3.5 MAF, the VLAN headlights, which you guys saw in the previous video. And then, of course, the Mishimoto radiator coolant hoses. So all that is gonna go into here, bro. It's gonna be glorious. Hopefully the car puts down at least 400 to 405 wheel horsepower. I also, you guys, have a stage 2 variable tune. Yes, I have the file. I'm gonna lock it to my Honda with my serial number. It'll only be my file, my tune. There are revisions allowed on it, but I think, let me say that correctly. I don't think there are revisions allowed on it. I think you have to pay a certain amount to add those mods as the revisions, but it doesn't matter because I'm full bolt-on, and I will be January 29th, so I have nothing else I want to add. I'm not going to add the flex fuel kit. I'm not doing any of that. Just going to keep it really solid. Once I get into the big turbo, the PRL drop-in P600, then I might be doing the flex kit. It really depends on the tune and what variable does, or if I'm going to go with Rampage later on down the road. So, all right, guys, that's it for this video. Much love. Love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Leave a comment. We can have a conversation. Never give up in life at all. Always count your blessings. Always have something to look forward to. And put your always best foot forward. Love you guys. Here we go. Skylyfe Projects, we out.
Team, only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win, posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me, like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the one.